Hello students, welcome to the new video of class 8. Hope you are staying home and staying fine as well. So now, today we will be starting with the new chapter, square and square roots. That is a chapter 3 of class 8 book. So now, firstly coming, what do you mean by this square? So I am writing here the square of a number. It's a very simple thing here. Square means multiplication of a number by itself only. Okay, suppose if I have taken here a number, this number can either be a natural number, an integer, or a rational number. You can take any of them. So suppose I have taken here a number, suppose 6. He is saying multiplication of a number, and number is 6 by itself. It means we have to multiply by 6 by 6. So basically I can write in this way 6 raised to the power 2. So this thing only 6 raised to the power 2 is called the square of a number, which means square of 6 only. So basically I will be pronouncing this in a 6 squared. I will be pronouncing this in this way, 6 squared. So on solving, you know what's the answer. 6 into 6 will be what? 36. So now coming to the next thing here, find the unit digit of the square of, suppose if I am taking a number as, suppose 9004. So he is saying here, find the unit digit of the square of 9004. So in these type of questions, no need to find the square of this number. You can simply take the square of the unit digit. So if I am saying here 9004, just take the unit digit, do the square of this thing. 4 square will be what? 4 into 4, which means 16. Now see the unit digit here, that is your 6. It means the unit digit of square of 9004 is 6. It means when you find the square of 9004, its unit digit will be 6. So coming to the next type. So our next topic here is how to find whether the given number is a perfect square or imperfect square. Okay, what do you mean by this perfect square and imperfect square? Suppose I have taken here a number. If you are finding the square of that number, the answer you will be getting, that will be a perfect square, and the numbers rather than that will be imperfect square. So now how to find this thing, whether the number is perfect or having imperfect square. So now 1296 I have written here by using prime factorization methods. Firstly, do the prime factorization of this 1296. Okay, you can start with 2, 2 6 12, 2 4 8, 2 2 3 6, 2 2 4, 2 4, then 2 162, 2 8 1, 3 27, 3 9, 3 3 and 3 1. So can I write this 1296 equals to 1 2 3 4. So we are having 4 2s here and 1 2 3 4, 3 4s here. Okay, so can I write it this way? In the previous sentence I have started with the prime factorization. So now start making the pairs of equal numbers here. I am saying start making the pairs of equal numbers. Okay, so this 2 and 2 is making a pair. This 2 and 2, this 3 and 3, this 3 and 3. If all the pairs have been made and nothing is left alone, then it means it's a perfect square. So I will be saying 1296 will be a perfect square. I will be saying is a perfect square. Now he is asking us, whose square is this? Whose square is this? Can I write this 1296 in this way? This 2 into 2 will be what? 2 square. That is studied in the previous exponents as well. This 2 into 2 again will be what? 2 square. 3 into 3, 3 square. This 3 into 3, again 3 square. Okay, I write here the bases are different and the exponents are same here. So can't I write in this way? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 whole square. 2 into 2 will be 4, 4 into 3 will be 12, 12 into 3 will be 36. So I can say here as this 1296 is the square of 36 here. So coming to the next. So our next question is find for 4802. Again doing the prime factorization of this 4802. So 2 to 4, 2 4 8 0 and 1. Now that it will be equal to what? 2 4 and 2 plus 4 will be 6, 6 plus 1 will be 7 here. Okay, so in my opinion this will be 4802 only. So next I can be saying here this number is not going with 3. I can try with 7 here. So 7 3 21. Okay, so this will be 30. 7 4 28 21. Again 3 7 49 7 7 and 7 1. So can't I write this 4802 as in this way? 2 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Okay, this 7 is making the pair, this 7 is making the pair, but this 2 is left alone here. There is no pair of 2. So this, in this case I will be saying 4802 is an imperfect square. So in my opinion you are clear with how to find the perfect or imperfect square. So coming to the next. So our next question here is find the smallest number by which 1323 be multiplied to get a perfect square. It means this 1323 is not a perfect square. He is saying by which smallest number I will multiply this to get a perfect square. So firstly again you have to do the prime factorization of this 1323 only. So now 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9. So I am using the divisibility test of 3 here. So 3 4 12, again 12 and 1. Now again with 3, 3 1 3, 14, 3 4 12, 21, 7. So now 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 1 10. Again with 3. So 3 4 12 and so I can say that will be going with 7 now. So now this 1323 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now you are saying this 3 is making a pair, 7 also pair. We are left with just 3 here. It means if I will be making the pair of this 3, the answer will be a perfect square at that time. It means this number should be multiplied with 3. So I will be saying therefore 1323 must be multiplied by 3 to make a perfect square. When you multiply this number with 3, if again there will be 3 and this 3 and 3 will make a pair here. So this will be your answer. So now in my opinion you are clear with all the questions which I have done earlier. So only the prime numbers. Just remind the square of prime numbers only. This will be used in the questions again and again. So up to 1 to 10 you can find the squares or you know the squares from 1 to 10. Coming after 10 here. So please remind all these squares. So 11 square will be 121. No need to find out again and again. Please keep these in mind. Okay, 12 you no need. For 13 square will be 169. Okay, next coming to 17 square. So 17 square is 289. And then 19 square will be 361. Please keep this square of these 4 numbers in mind. Totally it should be in your mind when you are doing the questions. It will be easy for you. Thank you for watching this video.